Hello, in this video I will demonstrate the concept and working of loop in Python programming language. So loop in programming language basically means to repeat a value or a number several times, either in ascending order or in descending order, or by following a particular pattern. So loop means repeating something in programming language. So in Python programming language, there are mainly two types of loop. Number one is for loop and number two is while loop. So let me explain it with an example. Apart from this, loop not only means to repeat values, but loop also means to display a set of values in a particular order. So let's start the example. So here is the example. Here I have taken the for loop for explanation. As you can see, I have written a program on loop for printing the even numbers from 10 to 40. So in this program I have written first for, then I have written I is the loop variable, then I have written in range. So first we have to write for I in range. It is the first thing that we need to write. Then in the bracket we need to write three values. The value in the first should be the starting value. So here it is given that the starting value should be 10. So I have written 10. The middle value is the ending value plus 1. So ending value should be 40 and 40 plus 1. So I have written 41, and in the last value should be the gap between the values. So as we have to print even numbers, I have given the gap as 2. Then we have to close the bracket and uh, give a colon. Then in the next line we have to print the loop variable. This is the for loop program that we need to write. So here is the output screen. Here we can see that all the even numbers from 10 to 40 are printed, like 10, 12, 14 and so on. And we can see that the last value is 40. So as we have entered there as 41, which is the last value plus 1, so it has given the last value as 40. So here our program is absolutely working. I have again came back to the program screen. So I want to say that if there is a element missing in this program, like this colon or like the for, then the for loop will not work. So uh, while creating a for loop or any loop in Python, we should give all the elements which are required, and if we forget to give some element, then it will give a syntax error. So in this way we can create a for loop in Python. So thank you for watching.